Welcome to Romaco Noack. My name is Markus Gaumann. I'm sales manager for Romaco. We're here at the Noack showroom and I will introduce you to our new Unity 600 blister packaging line. The line consists out of two machines, a blister machine which runs up to 600 blisters per minute and a carton machine in continuous motion with up to 400 cartons per minute. The line was developed together with our customers in the contract manufacturing business. The result is the shortest line in this capacity segment, paired with a very fast and reliable changeover. The line was not only developed for easy changeover, but also for very easy operation. Let's have a look into our new function for the RFID login. To secure highest quality of your production, we have the IPC control in our machine. Let's have a look. The blisters selected previously in the touchscreen are now automatically discharged in our IPC drawer. How easy the changeover is, I will show you here on an example of the die cutting unit. Another highlight of the Unity 600 is the very short length of the blister segment. We are here below 4 meters within the primary packaging room. Here you can see the cartoning module of the Unity 600. It's available in 3 different versions, up to 250, 300 and 400 cartons per minute. The machine has best accessibility and tool-free changeover. Let's have a look. I show you how easy it is. We would like to present you further details of our line. Please do not hesitate to contact us for a visit on site or to book an appointment in our live stream. We are looking forward to hearing back from you. Thank you very much.